Tire track impressions are classified as pattern evidence because they leave behind a unique pattern. Just like shoe impressions can help investigators narrow down the brand, style, and size of shoe, similar discoveries can be made about tire tracks. Tire tracks can be matched through searchable databases. These databases help an investigator determine what type of tire left the impression and what brand the tire is. After this is determined, it can help narrow down what type of vehicle the tire would be used for. For example, a compact car, an SUV or pickup truck, or a large commercial vehicle like a bus or 18-wheeler. By searching tire patterns in a database, investigators can potentially identify the make, model, and year of the vehicle that made the tire tracks. Like other kinds of evidence, tire tracks can be used to help with the identification of a perpetrator by placing the suspect at the scene of the crime, after matching tire track impressions from the scene with the tires on the suspect's vehicle. Much like with shoe prints, it's difficult for two vehicles to leave the exact same tire mark. This is because as tires are used, the wear on the tires changes the impression pattern of the tire. An example would be a unique wearing of the outer edge of a tire because the alignment of the vehicle is off. This unique pattern is of great importance to the investigation because this pattern will only be present on the tires of the exact vehicle that was used. Tire impressions can be placed into three main categories based on how they are collected. The first type of prints is visible prints. These prints are visible to the naked eye and can be collected by photography without the use of any special equipment, such as molds. The next type of print is called plastic prints or three-dimensional prints. These prints can be collected by making a cast or mold of the print. A cast of the print is made using a material such as plaster or latex. Once the mixture dries, a three-dimensional impression is made. The third type of prints is latent prints, which are prints that are not necessarily visible to the naked eye or are very hard to see. Latent prints are usually found on surfaces that are flat, like sidewalks, roads, or driveways. To collect this type of tire impression, specialized equipment is used to carefully lift the tiny particles of dust or soil that may not be visible to the eye. Investigators use these three categories, visible, plastic or three-dimensional, and latent for shoe prints and fingerprints as well.